What are the types of bonds present in DNA? Bonds are otherwise called linkage. In DNA, three different types of bonds are present. They are hydrogen bond, N-glycosidic bond, and phosphodiester bond. These are the three bonds present in DNA. What is DNA? DNA is genetic material made up of double strand. DNA looks like ladder structure. Each DNA made up of nucleotides. Many nucleotides together called polynucleotides. Nucleotides are made up of phosphate and nucleoside. Nucleosides are made up of pentose sugar and nitrogen bases. In DNA, two different types of nitrogen bases are present. They are purine bases and pyrimidine bases. Purine bases are adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine bases are thymine and cytosine. Purine bases are always joined with pyrimidine bases or vice versa. Adenine always combined with thymine with the help of two hydrogen bond. Basically, hydrogen bonds are very weak bond we can easily separate. Between the guanine and cytosine, we can see three hydrogen bonds. This figure, we can see three different types of bonds. Between the adenine and thymine, we can see two hydrogen bonds. Between the guanine and cytosine, we can see three hydrogen bonds. So, hydrogen bonds are present between the nitrogen bases. Second bond is N-glycosidic bond. N-glycosidic bond present between nitrogen base and pentose sugar. This is pentose sugar. This nitrogen base join with the help of N-glycosidic bond. Same manner, this pentose sugar, nitrogen base, they join with the help of N-glycosidic bond. Third bond is phosphodiester bond. Two nucleotides are joined with the help of phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bonds are present between sugar and phosphate. Single nucleotide contain ester bond or phosphoester bond.